Good morning, student. Welcome back. Jai Swaminarayan. My name is Swati Sharma, Atmiya Green School, Jhadeshwar, Bharuch, and today's topic is practical geometry. Our continuous chapter is practical geometry, and we in practical geometry we have learned how to construct a quadrilateral. First of all, we have learned when for all the four sides and a diagonal is given. Second day, we have learned when two diagonals and three sides are given, then how to construct the quadrilateral. Now next day, we have learned when two adjacent sides and three angles are known, then how to construct the quadrilateral. I hope you are completed 4.3 in your notebook and 4.1, 2 and 3 in your notebook. Okay. Now our new topic is when three sides and two included angle are given. Okay. When two sides and two included angle are given. Understand? How to construct that type of quadrilateral. Now see here. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD where AB is equal to 4 cm, BC is equal to 5 cm, CD is equal to 6.5 cm. Means there are three sides are given and angle B is equal to 105 degree and angle C is equal to 80 degree. Students see whenever we have to draw the angle, see if we draw angle 60 degree, 120 degree, 180 degree, okay, in between that is 90 degree, in between 120 and 160 is 150, okay, 0 and 60 के between में होता है 30, okay, in between there is 75, there is 105. It is easy to draw. Okay. Now if this type of angle is given, then you draw easily. But if the angles are 80 degree, 105 degree, 85 degree, then you have to use protector. Okay. So let's start. First draw rough sketch. Okay, to get an idea how we can start off. Now the side BC is 5 cm is given. So let's draw 5 cm BC and draw 105. Angle B is equal to 105 degree. Why BC? We draw BC because angle B is given. Okay. So first we draw BC and angle B, that is 105 degree. Okay. How to draw 105 degree? See, if this is one angle, okay, this is one line, draw the arc. This is 60 degree, this is 120 degree, this is 90 degree, and in between 90 and 120 it's a 105 degree. Understand? This is the way to draw the 105 degree angle. Okay. Now draw 105 degree as a center B. Okay. And now it's given, what is given? BA. AB is given. Yes, AB is 4 cm. Now taking a radius of 4 cm and as a center B, draw an arc of 4 cm. Okay, so it's your point A. Understand? Now how to draw 80 degree? See, the fourth point D is on CY, which is include 80 degree to BC. To make BCY at C on BC, take a you have to make this angle with the help of protector. D is a distance of 6.5. So taking a radius of 6.5, C as a center and draw an arc 6.5 centimeter. Okay. Now another one is given, that is 6.5. Okay. And there is three sides and two angles are given. Now join them. Okay. Complete the quadrilateral ABCD. It is a required quadrilateral. Okay. Understand? So now we have doing exercise 4.4. Construct the following quadrilateral DEAR where three sides and two angles are given. Okay. Let's do. Now first draw a rough diagram. D is equal to 4 centimeter. Draw D is equal to 4 centimeter, and EA is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, EA is equal to 5 centimeter. Angle E is equal to 60 degree also. So first we draw angle E 60 degree. Okay, draw the angle E is equal to 60 degree. This is the way. First draw an arc, then first cut is your 60 degree angle, then complete it. It's your 60 degree. Now EA is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, so take EA is equal to 5 centimeter, and E as a center, draw an arc. Okay, this is your A point. This is your point A. Understand? Now next is angle A is equal to 90 degree. Now turn the page. Okay, now angle A is equal to 90 degree. You have to draw angle A is 90 degree. This is the way. This is 60, this is 120, and now this is your 90 degree. Okay, so draw this angle is 90 degree. Okay, now AR is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Now this is taking radius of 4.5 centimeter. Okay, and take a point A and draw 4.5 centimeter. This is your point R. Okay, this is your point R. Okay, combine it, join it, and write the step of construction. Okay, write step of construction also. It is 90 degree. Okay, it is 60 degree. It's 5 centimeter. It's 4.5 centimeter. Okay, write it 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so second question, TRUE true, where given TR is equal to RU is equal to 3 centimeter, UE is equal to 4 centimeter, angle R and angle U. Okay, now what can you do in this question? First, TR is given 3.5 centimeter, so draw TR is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Now angle R is equal to 75 degree. You know how to draw angle R. First, draw an arc, take an arbitrary radius, draw an arc, and that arbitrary radius first cut is 60 degree, next is 120 degree. Now draw 90 degree. It's your 90 degree. It's we draw dotted line because we don't need 90 degree. Okay, now 90 and 60, between 90 and 60 we draw 75 degree because it's the bisector of 90 and 60. Okay, so let's draw the bisector of 90 and 60. It's the bisector of 90 and 60. Okay, and it's your required 75 degree angle. Now draw 75 degree angle. This is your 75 degree. Now it is given RU is equal to 3 centimeter. Now it's given RU is equal to 3 centimeter, taking 3 centimeter radius. Okay, and R is the center. This is your point U. This is your point U. Okay, now angle U is equal to 120. Now turn the page. Take an arbitrary radius. First cut is 60 degree. Now 120 degree. It's your 120 degree. So draw a line of 120 degree, and it is given UE is equal to 4 centimeter. Now U as a center and take 4 centimeter radius. Draw an arc, and it's your required point E. Okay, join them. T. Now it's your required quadrilateral TRUE. Okay, true. It's your required quadrilateral. Understand? Now we have draw some special cases of quadrilateral. You know what is the property of square, what is the property of rhombus, what is the property of rectangle, parallelogram and trapezium. Okay, if only one side is given, then you draw a square. Okay, if only one side is given, you also draw a rhombus. Okay, if the diagonals are given, you also draw a rhombus and square. And in rectangle, you know all the angles are 90 degree, and if one or two sides are given, you know all four sides. Okay, so this type you have to draw some special case, that is 4.5. The square RE is equal to 5.1 centimeter. Now let's draw this type of quadrilateral. For this square READ, first draw a rough diagram. Now the side RE is equal to 5.1 centimeter. Draw 5.1 centimeter. Now you know the angle E is 90 degree, because all the angle of square are of 90 degree. So draw an angle of 90 degree. Okay, complete it. It's your 90 degree. Draw a line. Now if RE is equal to 5.1, then EA is equal to also 5.1, because all the sides are equal. In a square, all the sides are equal. Now draw 90 degree on R. Okay, draw a line. Now taking 5.1 centimeter, taking distance 5.1 centimeter. Okay, draw an arc. This is your point A and this is your point D. Okay, this is your required square. Understand? Join it and write point of construction also. All the angles are 90 degree. Now a rhombus whose diagonals are 5.2 centimeter and 6.4 centimeter. Okay, only diagonals are given, and we know, now you know, in a rhombus all sides are equal and diagonal bisect each other. Okay, it's given, it is not given the name of the quadrilateral. So take the name of quadrilateral is ABCD. Now AC is equal to 5.2 and BD is equal to 6.4 centimeter. Taking, okay, and diagonal bisect each other at right angle in a rhombus and square. Okay, now take 6.4 or 5.2 centimeter. Now taking AC 5.2 centimeter. Okay, this is your AC. Okay, now taking perpendicular bisector of each, because they are perpendicular bisect to each other. Okay, so first taking perpendicular bisector, both are equal. AO is equal to OC. Okay, now this is 6.5 means 6.4 means they are again bisector of this. So 6.4 divided by 2, that is 3.2. Okay, so 3.2 each. So O is the center, taking O as a center. Taking O as a center, take 3.2 centimeter and cut both the sides. This is 3.2 and this is 3.2. Now join all the sides. Okay, and write point of construction. This is B. Join all the sides. This is your required rhombus ABCD, whose diagonals are given. Okay, this type you have do this question. Understand? Now our next question, it is compulsory you have to write the what is given. Okay, diagonals are given, so you have to write 6.4 centimeter and 5.2 centimeter. There are two diagonals only given, two diagonals. Okay, now next question is a rectangle with adjacent side of length 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Adjacent side means their length and breadth are given. Okay, their length and their breadth are given. Okay, length is 5 centimeter and we know that rectangle having all angle are 90 degree. This is 5. Draw a rough diagram. This is 4 centimeter and this is 5, this is 4. Okay, now let us take the name PQRS. Now first we have draw a line 5 centimeter. Okay, in P and Q both are 90 degree because it is rectangle. So draw a 90 degree angle on Q and on P also. Okay, this is your 90 degree on Q and this is 90 degree on P. Now you know in rectangle opposite sides are parallel and equal, therefore QR is 4 centimeter, so taking 4 centimeter. Okay, and center as a Q, draw an arc, and center as a P, draw an arc. Okay, this is your point R and S. Okay, join the points RS and write the measurement, which are for 4 centimeter and which are 5 centimeter. Okay, now next one is parallelogram. Okay, 5.5 centimeter and K is equal to 4.2 centimeter. ठीक है, it's okay. So draw a parallelogram, rough diagram, and you know in a parallelogram opposite sides are parallel and equal. If it is 5.5, then opposite angles are equal. We know opposite angles are equal, and the two adjacent angle are, sum of two adjacent angle is 180 degree. Okay, sum of two adjacent angle is 180 degree. Draw line 5.5 centimeter. Okay, ठीक है, OK is 5.5 centimeter. Now draw an angle. Because you know the sum of adjacent angle is 180 degree, you have taken, if it is 60 degree you take, if it is 60 degree then the another one is 120 degree, because sum of the angles is 180. Understand? Now this is 60, so it will be 120. So sum of adjacent angle will be 180. Okay, this is your 120 degree. Now 4.2 centimeter K, this is your 5.5. OK is equal to 5.5 centimeter and K is 4.2 centimeter. Take the distance 4.2 centimeter and K as a center. Draw A. Okay, and this is Y. Join them. This is your required quadrilateral. Okay, understand? Write the name. This is your required quadrilateral. So students, this is our chapter practical geometry is over, and in this chapter we have learned how to draw quadrilateral and how to construct quadrilateral when four sides given, four angles given, three angles given, and any two diagonals given. Then how to draw a quadrilateral. Understand? If you have any doubt, tell me on WhatsApp. Have a good day.